So guys, we are getting a problem here where the touch screen is just touching itself. It's doing a bunch of crazy stuff. As you can see, it's malfunctioning. But what we want to do, we want to disable the touch screen for this laptop. And for us to do so, we need to go to device manager, and then we need to go to the human interface device, and we should see touchscreen display as a subcategory there underneath. We want to disable the touchscreen feature. As you can see, it's challenging me. I barely can do what I want to do. Guys, we remove the screen. As you can see, the screen and the digitizer is actually together. So if you look carefully, you can see the screen there attached to the digitizer. We also have some screws here. We have one here, we have another one there, we have another one there, and we have another one there. And that's if we want to remove the screen from the digitizer, right? So what I am going to do, I am going to remove the ribbon for the digitizer, which is right here. I'm just going to disconnect the ribbon, and then I am going to power on the device, and I'm going to see if that do the trick in disconnecting the touch digitizer, the touch screen, as it is malfunctioning. That's how you remove the ribbon there. As you can see, you had to raise this black lid up, then remove the ribbon. So it's disconnected there, and we are going to go and we're just going to power on the device. So let me plug in the wall charger. So as you can see, we have power. I'm going to turn on the computer. The computer is turning on there, and the digitizer is detached, and we should be able to use the computer normally without problems. So here we are. Let's just give it a minute or so just to boot up. You can see the mouse here, and if we try to touch, you can see that the touch is disabled, right? It's not selecting anything, so we just detach the touch screen. There's another way of doing this, which I mentioned before. Go into your device manager and disable the HID touch driver, right? You can go ahead, left click, and you can go right ahead, you can disable the driver. So as you can see here, disabled the touch for the touch screen. We unplug the cable. This should help you out. If you decide to replace this, you can also replace this, and I show you how to go about doing so. So as you can see, we can actually go ahead and we can use the computer in peace without issue, without problems. We are actually good to go. If this was helpful, guys, do like, share, and subscribe. Putting back this is quite easy. You just have to put this back in. There are some clips all the way around. There are two screws, one here and the other one here. Screw those in and you're good to go.